What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing one of my favorite protective hairstyles, which is mini twists. So let's go ahead and jump straight into this tutorial. A huge shout out to QVR Hair. They did send me over 5 packs of their Afro Kinky G-Bulk hair in 22 inches. And this is what their hair looks straight out the pack. It already comes pre-sectioned, pre-divided, which is a huge plus. And it also came with a crochet hook in each pack. So I already completed the back of my hair, so let's go ahead and dive into the front. So I'm just going to section my hair off right now. And also the only product that I will be using for this hairstyle is mousse. I only like to use one product just to avoid any unnecessary buildup. So what I like to do is take one piece of that hair and split that in half. And once I split that in half, I just braid my natural hair down a few times. And then after I braid that down a few times, I go ahead and add in the human hair. And once the human hair is added in, I'll go ahead and braid that down a few times as well. So I'm just braiding down until my natural hair meets back in the middle. And when it meets back in the middle, I split that in half and I continue to braid the rest. Well, not braid, but twist the rest of the way down. So once I get halfway, I like to add in the second piece of human hair, and I just begin twisting all the way down. And once I get to the ends, I kind of just finger coil the ends with some mousse just to make it a little bit more curly because it is human hair. So if you guys watched my last mini twist video with human hair extensions, the process of installing them is exactly the same. So if you haven't checked that out, please do. It's more in detail than what I'm doing here. I did use a total of 3 packs for this hairstyle. Also, all the information about this hair will be listed in the description box below, so please go ahead and check that out. So the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. I'm going to speed it up from here. Like I said earlier, my last mini twist video is more of an in-depth tutorial. The only difference is the hair that I used in the previous one is a little bit more difficult to separate, but it will give you the same results. So now I'm going to go on with one of my favorite edge control gels from Colors and Care. They knew exactly what they were doing when they made this gel. My edges literally stay in place all day. Now that my twists are in, it's time to bring the style together. So I'm going to go ahead and style it to my liking. If you're interested in trying this hair, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.